Beller Construction Company is a very traditional family-owned construction business that is customer-focused and puts forth their best efforts in all they do. Their motto is quality never compromised. Customers are an important part of the process from the planning stages through the project completion. The importance of the personal relationships that they develop with customers shines through in every phase of each project, but the lack of technology in communicating with customers has been an issue. COVID amplified this issue, but also provided an opportunity to try different methods to bring the customer's vision to reality. By using software to show the customer at the beginning, middle, and end of the project, we are able to minimize surprises for the customers and for our budget. COVID made it so a customer could not walk on site to see the property. The face-to-face interactions that proved so beneficial to the relationship with customers and to the final products have become increasingly difficult due to COVID. Finding a solution to the limits on face-to-face interactions is a high priority in order to continue to serve the best customers. We need to focus on getting customers what they want without being there. Technologies such as LiDAR, AR, VR, and drones will increase efficiency and employee safety, help to better anticipate challenges that will result in reduced costs and less time spent on project sites and result in a more positive customer experience. COVID made us adapt into how we present our products to the customer. Beller Construction is new to using high-end technology in construction. They are used to following the more traditional route of a handshake, blueprints, and designs on paper. This old way of doing things is important but will only be improved through the use of the right technologies. They have been having issues with getting customers what they want, whether schedules do not align or because of COVID. Introducing the latest technologies such as LiDAR, drones, and VR will give them such an advantage, such as doing estimates virtually while being documented. Beller Construction has a new opportunity for growth. Their current situation is a low-tech company with problems due to COVID. There are key success factors in changing the way of doing things, such as strategic focus, people, operations, marketing, and finances. Their overall analysis of alternatives are evaluating different brands of technology to see which ones would suit them best. Their strategic option is introducing new technology. There are benefits and risks to this new strategic option. The benefits are, with this new technology, everything will be saved automatically and not having to worry about losing papers, making sure terrain is even and safe for the building, delivering accurate surveys quickly at the beginning of a project, providing information for simulation and analysis when developing the project, identifying maintenance and repair requirements on the project as needed, create 3D imaging that turns into virtual reality. There are many risks to this new strategic option, such as competition with over 1,200 general contractors in Pinellas County. They are all strong competition but do not have this new technology Beller Construction will soon have. Once Beller Construction uses this technology, they will dominate their competitors. This will put them ahead. Human resources will be a challenge, but the current staff members do not have the experience in the use of these technologies. However, once the owner is familiar with these technologies, he can designate a current employee to become the new technological specialist. The idea of this new technology is great, but it will require additional upfront costs. All this new technology needed to implement LiDAR, including the cost of the drones, AR, and VR, can be expensive. By using this technology over time, you will be making your money back. My final recommendations for Beller Construction is that they invest in this useful new technology, take the time to train their employees, and take advantage of this new technology to get ahead of their competition.